Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you top 3 best ChatGPT alternatives in this year. So as you can see, we're here on ChatGPT, but let me show you the first alternative. The first alternative is called ChatSonic. Now this is a ChatGPT alternative built with superpowers. As you can see, you can chat with them, you can basically do a lot of different things with ChatSonic. As you can see, this is basically beating all the limitations of ChatGPT and giving conversational AI wings with ChatSonic. As you can see, you can write content, include topics, you can understand voice commands, respond just like Siri or Google Assistant as well, which is great. It has that voice commands, right? And as you can see, you can generate unique AI art as well. It's kind of like ChatGPT on steroids, if you ask me. So this is another kind of alternative to ChatGPT. As you can see, you can talk to a personalized avatar. It keeps the essence of your talks intact. So it has a lot of different things, right? I will leave this alternative link in the description, and let's go to the second alternative on this list. The second alternative is called Replica. Now, as you can see, this is the AI companion who cares. Now, so this is basically an artificial intelligence, and it's made for as you can see, it's eager to learn and would love to see the world through your eyes. Replica is always ready to chat when you need an empathetic friend. So this is great if, again, you can curate your story, right? A Replica will always be by your side no matter what you're up to, chat about your day. So you can chat with Replica. Basically, it's kind of like ChatGPT. It's obviously not as powerful as ChatGPT, but still it's great, and it's also available on iOS, Android, and Oculus as well. And yeah, this is pretty much great for Oculus Rift if you have Oculus Rift right here, as you can see, because you can then chat with a basically imaginary friend, a virtual friend, right? This is what Replica is all about. So that's second alternative for ChatGPT on this list. The third alternative is called Jasper AI. Now, Jasper Chat is basically a chatbot that is made completely on AI. As you can see, with Jasper Chat, you can have natural conversations that feel surprisingly human. Simply ask your friend AI chatbot to generate ideas, revise your content, and even make you laugh, right? So as you can see, this is basically what you can do. You can start a chat, right? You can write a blog post, summarize the following script, write Facebook ad for holidays, be really specific with it, and it will give you a lot of different things, right? As you can see, you can also come up with tweet ideas, social media ideas. As you can see, you can continue dialogue with clarifying info and refining your requests. So kind of like ChatGPT, it has a lot of different things to offer. Obviously, you have a pricing here for the Jasper, which is, as you can see, we have $40 a month, $82 a month, and custom plan and pricing. So yeah, just so you know, it's not free. So that is 3 different ChatGPT alternatives. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below with your ChatGPT alternative that is not on this list, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.